Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download your Facebook information from the Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to download your information of your Messenger app, let's open up our Messenger app first. And after opening our Messenger app, you can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture icon like this and scroll down with you when you get here, and after that you can see the account settings available over here just below the switch account. Tap on account settings, and after opening this interface, when you scroll down you can see the download your information available over here under the category your information. Tap on download your information, and you can see all these informations are available for you if you want to download it. And you can see you can scroll across these and choose the information you want to download, or you can just deselect all of these and only download the things from Facebook, or only download the information you want from Facebook Messenger, like messages, posts and saved items and collections. And after selecting these, you can see the create file option available over here, and you can see the date range of data, and you can see the format. You can either transfer your data of your information on JSON format or the HTML format, or you can see the media quality, which one which one of the qualities you would prefer. It's on you. For me it should be the medium itself. And when you tap on create file, you will send a request to Facebook saying you want information, you want a copy of your information, and they will send you a copy of your whole information in JSON or HTML version, which one you chose. And after that, a copy of your information will be sent to you on the same page over here, where you can see the download your information, and under the available copies you can see they are pending. And after the Facebook has sent you your whole folder, you will be able to download it. And there guys, this is how you download your information from Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.